Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to see messages without being seen on Messenger. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. This is super useful to do as you may want to go and read messages but you don't want them to know. So to go and do this, go to the top left corner and click on the three lines like so. This will open up the side menu. Now all you need to do, go to the top right and click onto the settings icon. After that, just scroll down till you see privacy and safety, click on it, then just scroll down to what people see section and click on to read receipts and disable this. Now people won't be able to see when you read their messages and you won't be able to see when they read yours. So that's it. That is how to see messages without being seen on Messenger. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.